How to make a Facebook account public. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to make your Facebook account public, you'll need to turn on the professional mode. So I'll teach you how. Let's dive right in. Head over to your Facebook app, then go to the menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then go ahead and tap on your profile name, and then you will see three dots beside edit profile. Tap on it, scroll down and tap on turn on professional mode, and now tap on turn on. You can see that turning on professional mode will add new tools to your profile so you can grow your audience on Facebook. So just turn on, and then you will need to read these all and hit next, and then you can decide who can see your future content. If you want to grow your audience, Facebook suggests you to setting your audience to public. So hit next and then set it to public, hit next, and then hit confirm. And that's it. Your default audience on Facebook has been updated to public. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you.